Let's cross through the portal into the Dino realm.
Here we go, we're crossing over.
Oh no, a dino's made its way through the portal!
Oh man, there's nothing like good beer and fresh mountain air. Right on the water. Well, that was a short retirement. It looks like those dummies at the Dino Lab left the portal open. I've still got fight in me. Eat this!
Holy smokes, you're a freaking badass. What's your name?
I'm Max Freegin Bidass.
Wow, you're a national hero.
Yeah, I guess. If you only count the times I've saved the world in the United States. Later, kid. All right, Willie.
It's Mr. President.
I know who you are, dummy.
People are dying out there. You gotta do whatever it takes.
I've rigged some explosives. I'll do whatever it takes, but there's only one way out of this for me. Dang, we're so high, even for Colorado. Whee, look at me, I'm a dinosaur! I'll take it from here. Thanks for the lift, Terry. I stuck the landing. Eat this, you dino dipshit. I rigged the explosives. Now it's time for dino demolition. Max, no, please don't do it! I think this is it for me, guys. I don't think I'm gonna make it past this. Please just tell my wife that I want my brother Quinn to have the dog, and I think she's a total bitch! Mrs. Bidass.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's Max, isn't it?
Yes, I'm sorry, but he sacrificed himself for the good of the globe.
Here lies Maxwell Freegin Bidass, global hero, loved by all. His final words to his betrothed. She's a total beauty.
Where am I?
Max? You're alive? But how? I saw you die.
Nah, I was just drunk.
Drunk? I saw you explode.
Yeah, but only for like a little. You know my real last words are that you're a total bitch.
Max, you know me so well. I love you. So, Mr. Bidass, I understand you'll be retiring?
I'd hope so. We'll get out of the shot. It was just some firecrackers. It's okay. It's okay. Dino. Dino.